This is Luana for the Week 2 ADT Primary Goal Project. So for the primary goal, I designed the mobile app Acme Interactive for workout videos. Um, what I discussed last week in my task flow diagram, one of the main things was to have a guest access for the user so they can view the app before they decide to sign up completely to join as a member if they're not a member already. So on here on the screen on the left, they open up the app and this is the first thing that they see. And at the bottom it says continue as guest, so they would click on that. And then to continue on, the first thing that they would see is a search page. They're not technically a user yet, so the other buttons are not on the global navigation or not functioning. Or I guess they will see that if they click on there, but the sole purpose is to get them to search for videos, to look at the search options here to see what they think. On the top here is the future, and it's kind of carousels other videos or images of videos of other workouts. Here's the browse section, and they can see multiple different kinds of workouts available. And if they do type in the search bar, let's say beginner level workouts, so they're typing it in, they hit search and the results come up, and they will be listed on here like as I discussed in last week. They'll have the length of the minutes, the ratings, even though the ratings are all the same, but for this purpose it's just to show. And I also included right here, not that it would show if we say real life, it would show if watched if they're just a guest, but I just wanted to design a little something here, just an idea of what it would look like once they watched a video. And then let's say they click on the first search result, and then here's the overview page, and then there's the description. They click more if they want to read more about the workout, a preview of the video. Here's the button where they would add the workout to their workout list, and then a little bit about the trainer. So once they click add to workouts to save it to their workout list, which if you see here on the global navigation, the dumbbell right here in the middle is where all their saved videos would be stored. Once they click here, this alert will pop up where it warns the user, hey, this is only for members, but if you want to save your video, would you like to sign up right now? And let's say they click sign up, and then the members benefits screen will pop up, kind of previewing them the page for what their saved workouts would look like, and listing here all the member benefits, and then they can sign up and get started. So for sign up, I kind of kept it a little basic where, not so much like, just to get the main information, not to scare away the user already. Because I've seen other apps where they ask for like more information, like weight and gender and height and all that stuff. I'm pretty sure once we get them in, then there's the profile, the membership profile that they can fill out on their own time if they want. But this is just a basic sign up form. And then I created something, what it would look like once they type in their information, and you see here there's an error here for the email, and it's signing up, it's loading, so it gives them the kind of feedback, hey, this is working, but then alerts them, hey, it failed because something is wrong, and then they look back and then see it's the email they need to add the @ sign. And last but not least, I've did the usability test over here on the right. So far, it's not completely completed by the usability hub, but I also sent out my own testers out there on Facebook and Twitter. But so far, the success rate for the first page is kind of working out. It looks like people are clicking into Guest. I set the instructions as you're checking out this app that allows you to search for workout videos, continue as Guest, search for beginner level videos, select the first one from the result list, add it to your workouts, and continue from there to finish the sign up process. And so continue as Guest, and then as I went over, search page comes up, and it looks like it's not as successful. I guess people or users are not understanding maybe that they have to click on top of here to search. And then I can see it can be kind of confusing as to you click as user and then this is the first thing that you see. But for NavFlow purposes, I guess I only did the search bar as a hit mark, not so much clicking here. So probably other users were like, oh, let me venture off, but then really you just get this page right here, the beginner, the typing in. So then everything seems to go good once they hit the overview page and then they sign up. But then I guess the sign up page, the membership page, is a little confusing as well. So far, 33% failure rate. Maybe someone accidentally hit somewhere else because the only hit zone mark is the sign up and get started. So, and then also, you know, there's no back button once they get there. So that could be an issue. And then last but not least, then there's the sign up page. And so far, has been having good results. So far I had a lot of fun designing this and thinking through how to create the flow of the navigation of the mobile app. Of course, there's always needs work to be done. I guess for me, so far, definitely this page right here maybe needs to be worked, where the users is not as confused, the guest, because of course they would know that they're not wherever else they click on the global navigation, it wouldn't work unless they're a member. So I guess there's some brainstorming to do for that. But hope this video is awesome. All right, thank you.